Yo, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 3 or Apple Watch SE 3, not the Series 3. That's old. This is the Midnight Edition. So there's like two colors, the black one and then the silver one with the goldish. This is the midnight color. So we're gonna open it and see what we got here. Okay, it's pretty neat. Okay, so it looks like this here is the band for it, and then I'm guessing this is the watch part. So I guess we'll start with this. So we'll go right here with it. Here. And let's see. Will that do it? Oh, there we go. So we got the watch here. Let's see if we can get this off. So it's pretty nice. Matte black on the back. Kind of like an aluminum. Not bad. I got the 44mm one, so the bigger one of the two. I'm guessing this is the charger. Let's see. Yeah. And then over here we have the band. So let's see if we can get this open. Is it just the band? Yeah, so maybe pull here. I don't know. That works. Let's pull it out. Okay. So let's see. I think it's like this. So then how is this supposed to go? Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, it says it right here. Slide to attach band. I'm guessing this one goes here. And then the one with the holes goes at the bottom. And I got like the medium band. Let's see if we can, oh, wrong way. Looks like it's, like this. I got the medium/large band. I got a pretty small wrist, so yeah, it looks like it could be a bit tighter. Not gonna lie. Okay, this band is not easy to put on. Maybe I'm just a noob, but it wasn't the easiest to put on, but looks like I fit perfectly on the last one. Maybe I could loosen it one. Okay, it's not too hard to loosen it, but yeah, it's pretty sick. What do you guys think? Let's see, is there anything else? The charger. Any stickers? Looks like no stickers. Oh well, they used to always give stickers. I guess not anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's the 44mm one. And yeah, thanks for watching.